Welcome back to All About Portions, serving size fans. Today, I will be reviewing KFC's long-awaited limited edition plant-based Beyond Fried Chicken Nuggets. Yoo-hoo! But how does it taste? Delicious. Crispy on the outside. It tastes very good. Tastes like real chicken. This is really good. As per their website, main ingredients include soy protein, wheat gluten, pea fiber, so those allergic to gluten keep away. The wait for this plant-based KFC chicken was definitely worth it. It really tastes just like fried chicken. Amazing. But if you're planning to eat it, make sure you plan ahead so you don't exceed your caloric and sodium intake. Plan out a healthy breakfast and dinner, especially if you're concerned about your weight, blood pressure, or heart disease prevention. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.